Trucks broke down. Deal was dead by 10 o'clock. Over. On the way out the door, we agreed to a do-or-die session, May 14th, here in New York in our office.
I can't. Impossible.
I'm flying to Attu on the 14th.
So where?
Attu, Alaska. I can't miss the flight. I've got another one for a week.
Still, you're not involved, the deal dies.
Look, you gave these people their jobs. If you don't do something, you're going to lose them. That's the hell up with some birds on Attu.
Oh my god.
Attu, the westernmost island of the Aleutian. So far west, it's closer to Tokyo than to Anchorage. There are no hotels, no phones, no restaurants, no toilets. Not the kind that flush, anyway. But for burgers, Attu is
Kevin.
Nobody could hope to win a big year without going to Attu in vain.
It's taxi time.
Kevin.
I'm sorry I'm late. You're going to be a little chilly in Alaska.
Kevin.
Stop packing. I'm serious. Mom.
Kevin.
Sex because you think you can't win or because he lied to you.
The house is on fire. Kevin.
Bostic.
Who?
Kenny Bostic, the best birder.
Holy shit.
Doing